ball scope, and then we took the spark plugs out, and you can actually physically go and into the cylinder to see what's happening. And seems to be the gap is quite big to start with. Piston rings failed on that cylinder number 3, damaged the cylinder as well in the process. So the only Hi, welcome back to Sanumotors, and yeah, we got Nissan. This is a Qashqai, yeah, 1.2 petrol turbo. The problematic engines, you know, we've got all sorts of problems issue with that, you know, with the chain rattles and all sorts of. This one doesn't have a rattly chain, but this one they actually got a low compression, no, lack of compression than the cylinder 3. There's zero compression at all. So basically what we did, we stripped the spark plugs out of the cylinders 2 and 3 and lowered it all the way down so we can actually physically see inside the bore. And we use our little cheat tool, ball scope, and then we took the spark plugs out, and you can actually physically go and into the cylinder to see what's happening. So this is our good cylinder. There you go, you can see our smiley face piston there, so you can actually physically see your piston. Nice color, you can see a little indentation. You've got an indentation for the valves, and then upside down you've got another 2 indentations there for the valve, also for the valves. So it's obviously 4 valves. See, this is our, you can even see a QR code almost. That's our healthy cylinder. Still got loads of compressions, well, full compression basically. And this is your cylinder 3, which is again on the lowest point, and you can see the color is very different. Covered in oil, obviously petrol as well, because there's no compression, so nothing was igniting in this cylinder. You can see your indentations here, but you can see some sort of shadows on the cylinder, and seems to be the gap is quite big to start with. You can see some weird marks on the cylinder that not really supposed to be there. Try to turn it upside down. There you go, turn it upside down. So there's your other marks up there. I know you can see the valves up there, but still the valves don't appear to be damaged. But the condition of the piston head itself, the crown of itself, is covered in oil. Obviously, even if the piston, the valves would be damaged, you wouldn't get that oil inside the cylinder. The only way you can get oil inside the cylinder is through the valve stem seals failure, which that would go really across the board, across all 4 cylinders generally. But this is more likely a piston ring failure, and looks like it damaged the cylinder. Yeah, I don't like all the marks on the side of the cylinder. Obviously, until you take the head off completely and strip it all, it will be difficult to say for sure. But with that little diagnostic tool, actually physically see inside the cylinder, and you can see the condition is not great at all. So it saves us a lot of stripping down for no particular reason, just to confirm it's knackered. There's our lovely smiley frog face, but he's not happy though. This engine is not happy. That's probably why we haven't got compressions. Now we have this piston rings failed on that cylinder number 3, damaged the cylinder as well in the process. So the only way you can do it, fix it properly, is put another engine in it, and or rebuild this one. But I'm not getting involved with that sort of a job because it's not it's not worth the grief. So second-hand engine or reconditioned engine, also just speak to the customer, and that's the job. That's the way forward. I'm afraid this is beyond salvation. Well, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Ta-ra.